Good morning, children. Today, lines and angles. Angles. Recap. How many line segments can you see in image? Okay. Count them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 line segments are there. So 8. Let us identify few angles in this diagram. Identify. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, moreover. Can we identify a few more angles? Number of angles we identify. Reduction. PQ line segment. AB line. OB ray. A line segment PQ generally denoted by the symbol PQ. Line segment PQ. A line AB is denoted by the symbol AB line. Line AB. The ray OB is denoted by OB. Ray OB. Ray symbol and OB. Ray OB. Basic types of angles. Here, acute angle, less than 90 degrees. This one is another angle, obtuse angle. So, more than 90 degrees. Here, 90 degrees. So, this is right angle. Complementary angles. When the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degrees, the angles are called complementary angles. Okay. When the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degrees, the angles are called complementary angles. Here 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Are these two angles are complementary? Already we know sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degrees. Then the angles are called complementary angles. Here 30 degrees and here 60 degrees. So 30 plus 60, 90 degrees. Yes. Here 100 and 50. These are here 100 and here 50. So 100 plus 50, 150. Not equal to 90 degrees. So these are complementary? No, these are not complementary. Because the sum of angles not equal to 90 degrees. Whenever two angles are complementary, each angle is said to be the complement of the other angle. Whenever two angles are complementary, each angle is said to be the complement of the other angle. Here 30 degrees and 60 degrees. When in this diagram the 30 degrees angle is the complement of the 60 degrees and 60 degrees angle is the complement of the 30 degrees. Next, supplementary angles. Guess which angles are called supplementary angles? Yes. Here 40 degrees, here 140 degrees. Now, here 139 degrees, here 41 degrees. Add them, 40 degrees and 140 degrees. Sum of this angle is 180 degrees. 139 plus 41 also, when we add 139 and 41, this is also 180 degrees. Okay, observe. So 40 and 140. What is the sum of the measures of the angles in the above pair? 180 degrees. Such pairs of angles are called supplementary angles. That means the sum of two angles is 180 degrees. Then the pair of angles are called supplementary angles. Okay, here the sum of two angles is 180 degrees. Then the angles are called supplementary angles. This one. When two angles are supplementary, each angle is said to be the supplement of the other. This means 139 plus 41 equals to 180 degrees. So 139 is the supplement of 41 degrees. And 41 degrees supplement of 139 degrees. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles have a common vertex, a common arm, but no common interior points. Again, adjacent angles have a common vertex and a common arm, but no common interior points. Here, adjacent angles, common vertex, this is red, this is common vertex, okay, common arm, this one is common arm, this one is common vertex, but no common interior points. So 40 degrees is this side of common arm, 55 degrees is another side of common arm. So no common interior points. So here 120 degrees and 60 degrees. Here common arm is this one and common vertex is this. This one is common vertex, this one is common arm, and 120 degrees is one side of common arm and 60 degrees is other side of common arm. So these are adjacent angles. And also supplementary angles, because 120 plus 60 degrees is 180 degrees. Here, this one is common arm, this one is common vertex, and 30 degrees is one side of common arm and 60 degrees is another side of common arm. So these are adjacent angles and also complementary angles, because 30 plus 60 equals to 90 degrees. Adjacent and complementary angles, because 30 degrees plus 60 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Next, linear pair of angles. A linear pair of angles are two angles that are adjacent and supplementary angles. A linear pair of angles are two angles that are adjacent and supplementary angles. Here 139 and 40 degrees. Is it correct? Yes. 139 plus 40, 179. So adjacent angles and not supplementary. Here we should this angle be 41 degrees. 139 plus 41 degrees. Then These are supplementary angles. So two angles that are adjacent and supplementary angles. When two angles that are adjacent and supplementary angles, then the pair is called linear pair of angles. 1 and 2. So if two angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. If two angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. Means 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 are adjacent angles and also supplementary because 180 degrees. Add 180 degrees. And this angle form a linear pair. Linear line form a line. So two angles form a line. So that is linear pair. So then these angles are supplementary. If two angles form a linear pair, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Find out the unknown angle. Here 30 degrees. Here question mark is there. So we find this angle. Here observe this ABE is a line. So we conclude that these two angles form a line. So these angles are linear pair. That means these angles should be supplementary. So here 150 degrees because 150 plus 30 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Vertically opposite angles. Vertical angles are opposite angles formed by intersecting lines. What is the vertical and opposite? This is at vertex opposite side of angles. So angles opposite to vertex. That is vertically opposite angles formed by intersecting lines. For any two lines that meet, as in the diagram below. Here AC and BD intersected A. These are intersecting lines and form four different angles. Here blue color, this one angle. So angle AEB and angle DEC. These are called vertically opposite angles. Okay, so here common vertex is there, but no common arm because this one BE, this one AE form this angle at vertex E. DE and EC form at vertex E an angle, that is DEC, angle DEC. So these have no common arm. So it is called vertically opposite angles. Another pair. So angle AET and angle BEC is another angle. Red mark. So these are also vertically opposite angles. Okay. Angle AEB and angle DEC and angle BEC and angle AD. When two intersecting lines formed two pairs of vertically opposite angles that are equal also. Okay, vertical opposite angles are equal. So angle AEB, this one, equals to angle DEC, and this one equal. And second pair, angle AE